Hi everyone, I'm Fawad and in this video I'm going to tell you about ratio and rates. So let's start. Guys, about ratio. A ratio, whenever we use this word ratio and rate, there is one thing common between them, that is comparison. In ratio, we also do comparisons, and with rates, we also do comparison. Now, what is the difference actually? So, ratio, guys, actually it is a comparison of two numbers by division. I'll show you how. Let's suppose we have a number A and we have a number B. If we want to compare it, so what we will do, we will divide. And as we divide them, A divided by B, or we can write as A divided by B. So guys, this is called the ratio of A to B or A over B. So you can write them as like this, or A ratio B, or A to B. So all these are the ways to write a ratio. Number 2, rate. Guys, when you do the comparison of the two quantities which have different units, so such ratio of two different quantities is called a rate. Like I tell you an example. You have a quantity distance whose units could be kilometers, miles, or meters, or whatever the units of distances on the situation, depend on the situation. You have a second quantity, that is a time. The units are minutes, hours, or seconds. So guys, when you divide distance divided by time, so this ratio is not only called a ratio, but it is particularly called a rate, because it is the ratio of two different quantities. It is a comparison of two different quantities with two different units. Okay. So guys, this is what the introduction or definition or explanation about the ratio and rate. Now we have an application. Let's start the application. Trisha ran 10 kilometers in 2.5 hours. Jason ran 7.5 kilometers in 2 hours. Olga ran 9.5 kilometers in 2.25 hours. Who had the fastest average average speed? So guys, what we will do, first of all, we will calculate their rates, and not only rates, but we go for the unit rate. Guys, unit rate means that the denominator of that ratio will become 1. I'll show you how. So guys, first of all, I will write about Trisha rate. Rate means I'm going to write the distance and time comparison. So Trisha rate will be, or Trisha average speed, as they are saying about average speed. So that rate is actually called average speed. So what is the distance of Trisha? 10. And what is the time she is taking? 2.5. Okay, so this is the rate value. Now guys, we're going to talk about Jason. So Jason average speed, this AV, average speed of Jason, and it will be 7.5 divided by 2 hours. So this is a rate, this is also a rate. And now we're going to talk about the rate of Olga. So Olga's rate will be, the average speed will be 9.5 kilometers divided by 2.25 hours. So who had the fastest average speed? We cannot detect or understand or calculate just by writing the rates. We have to write the unit rate for the comparison among these three people. Okay, so guys, to calculate the unit rate, what we will do, we will divide them. So 10 divided by 2.5, it will give me 4 kilometers per hour. And because here is the kilometer and here is the hour, so guys, now 7.5 divided by 2, it will come 3.75 kilometers per hour. And if I divide for the rate of Olga, 9.5 divided by 2.25, I will get the answer 4.25 22 kilometers per hour. So guys, now you can see here, this is called the these are called the unit rates, and these three are the, just we call them rates, but for comparison we need the unit rate. So guys, now you can easily tell who had the fastest average speed, 3.75, 4.22. So the answer is Olga had the fastest speed or average speed. Guys, I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can write in the comment box and I will answer that. Like this video, subscribe my channel. I will be back with a new video. Bye bye.